No-fault divorce in the United Arab of Emirates. The United Arab of Emirates is the only country in the Arab region where couples can get married and divorced under secular law instead of religious rules. No-fault divorce means that the wife or husband can ask the court to issue an instant unilateral divorce within 30 days from filing the case, without the need to show any harm or blame the other partner for the separation. The law treats women and men equally, respecting that women have the full right to terminate a marriage without questioning that decision. In addition, the court will automatically grant the joint custody of kids to both parents unless it's proven that one of them is not fit for co-parenting. After the divorce, the wife can apply for post-divorce financial rights, as she can receive 25% of her ex-husband's wealth, in addition to monetary compensation for the duration of the marriage. The court process is entirely online, with all documents submitted in English.